Now we are going to discuss the important topics regarding the weightage of the subject in point of GATE examination. So we have seen till now the content of the subject, few models of the questions which are appeared in your GATE exam, and now we are going to see the weightage of the topic. The total content has been divided into two different parts, that is a high weightage topic and a medium weightage topic. A high weightage topic, what I want to drive is, this would be 2 marks questions which will be from the 4 topics which I have mentioned. The properties of fluids, which I have told you that dynamic viscosity will play a major important role in your question, and fluid kinematics in terms of acceleration and continuity equation may raise a question for 2 marks. Energy equation and its applications, where we have done a question on a Prandtl tube, that is your pitot static tube. You may get a question from your discharge finding instruments as the velocity finding instruments from a venturi meter, orifice meter, pitot tube, or some rotameter. That is nothing but application of Bernoulli's equation may be a question raising. And from flow through pipes, you have a many variant of questions which will get the ratios, that is what we have solved previously, that is how head loss and friction factor may range, how head loss and velocities may range, how head loss and discharge may vary, and that type of questions, and compared to that type of questions with networking of pipes may be some question. Most of the times you will be getting a question from the formula HL equal to FLQ square by 12.1 d power 5 and the ratios between the different parameters available. So this would be a 2 marks, that is from these topics you have a more chance of getting a 2 marks question. When coming to the moderate weightage, hydrostatics, turbomachinery, laminar flow and boundary layer, in this way, in this part of the subject or in this second part of the subject, you have a chance of getting only 1 question either from the 4 topics. Hydromachinery most of the times falls for one mark raising question. Hydrostatics mean, what I want to drive here is your manometries and hydrostatic pressure forces, and turbulent and boundary layer, turbulent flow, laminar flow and boundary layer will also be a basic moderate weightage topics. So most of the students should always concentrate on this part where the weightage of the subject is 6 to 8 marks. The 4 marks question from this part and the 2 marks will be from this part. So this is about your moderate weightages and the high weightage topics in fluid mechanics.